Okay, in the previous video, we provided a complete walkthrough of how to use wrap to achieve deformation between two models. Using the game character Eve as an example, we walked through the entire process of wrapping a metahuman conform model. Onto a target model. For this target model, we've chosen a female character model from a game. Since there are significant differences between these two models, we've provided a detailed explanation of some key points to keep in mind when performing the wrap operation. All right, once the wrap is complete, we need to reassemble the wrapped model, that is the deformed conform model, back into a head and body to facilitate importing into Unreal Engine. To proceed with the creation of the metahuman character. Alright, let's move on to the main topic of today's video. In this video, we'll explain how to export a deformed conform model. This involves some coordinate transformation issues, as well as the coordinate definitions in OBJ files. OBJ files use the y-axis as the top, while Blender uses the z-axis as the top. A coordinate transformation is required, and this video will focus on some key points in the process to help you avoid common pitfalls. Alright, let's get started. This is the result after processing in the previous video. Let's review. This is the source model, the metahuman conform model. After applying our wrap operation, including snap, attract, and stick, we end up with this transformed conform model. Its shape matches the target model perfectly. Next, we'll export this conform model to facilitate the subsequent creation of the metahuman character. Alright, let's switch to the layout view. Turn off X-ray mode. Then hide the target model and select the deformed metahuman model. Then, let's switch views. Alright, now let's select Export. Choose the OBJ format. Make sure to check this box to export only the selected model. Now comes the crucial part. You must follow my instructions exactly, or you'll run into problems. For example, the model might not match the original. It could be rotated 90 degrees, or the XYZ axes might be misaligned. Turn all of these off. Especially this Apply Transform option. Please note here that since metahuman models use centimeters as their unit, while Blender uses meters, so when exporting, we need to switch back to centimeters to ensure consistency with the original units. Therefore, you cannot apply transform here. Otherwise, the model will be scaled down to 1/100th of its original size. Make sure to uncheck this box. Then uncheck Material as well, since we don't need to export materials. Uncheck all these options. Now for the second point to note, as we mentioned earlier, in OBJ format files, the coordinate system has the y-axis pointing upward. Blender, however, uses the z-axis as the top. So Blender will rotate the model 90 degrees around the x-axis here. To ensure correct export, we cannot perform a transformation here, so we need to switch back. We need to select to match this. That way, it 1t rotate 90 degrees. Remember this setting. For forward, we must select Y, then up is Z, so it matches Blender, and Blender won't perform any transformations. This achieves our goal. Keep this in mind. Leave this checkbox as is. Set forward to Y and upward to Z. Uncheck all the rest, then start the export. We'll choose a file name. Eve, wrap. Metahuman, then click Export. Okay, the export was successful. Let's verify that the exported model is correct. Let's create a new scene. Delete the default model, then import the model we just exported. This is the OBJ file named Eve MetaHuman. Keep the default settings as they are. Click Import. Okay, now let's take a look at this model. The imported model is correct. Note that the OBJ file itself has the y-axis pointing up. While Blender has the z-axis pointing up. To keep the orientation consistent, Blender applied a 90-degree rotation. We can undo this 90-degree rotation and see what the model file originally looked like. Reset all of these, location to 0, scale to 1, rotation to 0. Without applying any transformations, as you can see, the original model in the OBJ file looks like this. Its coordinate system is: the x-axis points to the right, the y-axis points up, and the z-axis points toward us, and -z is in front of us. That is, this is the direction we're facing, -z. This is the coordinate definition in the OBJ file. That's how it works, Blender. To make the orientation align, it performs a 90-degree rotation. It only changes the model's transformation. The model data itself remains unchanged. Okay, let us undo the 90-degree rotation back to the state when it was imported. Let's verify by comparing it with the head and body models of the MetaHuman. Let's compare the head and body models of the MetaHuman before the wrap to see if they match. Check if the orientation of the XYZ coordinates is consistent. This is the body and this is the head. Then keep these settings the same and import. Let's see, they match. This is the MetaHuman's head and body, and this is the model after we've deformed it. The model after deformation. Let's open it up. Here's the model after deformation. This is the MetaHuman's head, and this is the MetaHuman's body. This is the model after wrapping. Let's close that one and take a look. That's it. This is the body. This is the MetaHuman body and the MetaHuman head. Their coordinates are consistent. There are no issues. This allows us to proceed to the next step of splitting the model. Okay. So today we focused on the export process after wrapping and some key points to note during export, including consistency in XYZ coordinates and unit consistency to avoid issues later on. Alright, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.